Hello guys, I'm Saki, already know that. So as promised, today I'm going to show you one simple card trick. So without further ado, let's start. I'm not gonna edit the video, it's gonna be like all of a sudden mixed up, you know what I mean? I guess, sorry for the bad quality. There. Okay, now I'm gonna shuffle some cards so you don't think it's a frame or something like that. I'm gonna do it a few times. Oops, sorry. I'm shaking a little bit because this is my first recording video, so yeah, this is gonna take some time. Okay, since I'm doing this trick, it's gonna be easy. I flip the cards and I'm gonna choose whatever. Okay, let's go with this one. I'm gonna stick it to the camera so you see it, I guess. Do you see it? You see it? Okay. I'm gonna put it in the top of the deck. So this one is called Cops and Robbers. It's a really interesting one. So your card is still here, so I'm gonna put it in, you see, half. Okay, so I'm gonna find two cards that looks like this. It's usually not the same, but let's go with these cards. They will present cops, and your card will be the burglar one. So this is a cop, and I'm gonna find another one. So yeah, this is the second one. Okay, now what I'm going to do, there's going to be one card in the top and one in the bottom. So, I will drop the cards this way, holding this card and that card. When I drop them, the third card will come out, that card will be yours, I guess. Since this is one of my favorite tricks and I haven't done it a really long time, so yeah, this is a bit awkward for me because, like I said, it's the first time. So here we go. Oh. Is this your card over here? If it's not comment, I'm not gonna be mad or something like that. It's just, I don't know. Got used to public and live performance, never got to do it on camera, so thanks for, thanks anyways. And your wish came true.